Hello everyone, I'm Stella from Stellar Crafts. How are you? So in today's video I have to go to Walmart to buy some yarn, I have to finish some whips, and I also have to work on some orders, and I would love to have your company. So let's go together, come with me. First we are going to Walmart. Come! Okay, I'm on my way out, but let me show you something first before we go. I sold this cute froggy bucket hat on Facebook Marketplace, and now I'm going to meet the person and give it to her. So we are going to meet close to Walmart where I'm going. Perfect! So let's go through the things we got. So I got this burgundy yarn. This is for an order. It's an order for a cat ear beanie, and I only have this left. Look at that, in the burgundy color, and of course it's not enough, so I had to buy more. I was hoping to find a smaller skein, but they didn't have it, so I bought this bigger one. But I think the price is good, it's worth it. Yeah, so now I can start working on the order. And as you saw in the footage there at Walmart, I got these two skeins of cotton yarn, and they are going to be used to finish a granny stitch bucket hat I showed you guys in the previous vlog. So there you go, these two cute colors are going to be used for that. And I got some other things that are not yarn. Do you want to see it? So, hand soap from the Walmart brand. It's foamy hand soap for my son, so it makes it easier for him to wash his hands. So this makes it easier to get kids to wash their hands, because this is like magic. Look, it's a colorful liquid, but then when you press the nozzle, it's a white foam coming from it. So they love it. It was a tip from a teacher. And then I got some facial cleanser, Cetaphil, just to wash the face. Something very basic. These things are not very interesting. I just want to show you, just share with you what I got. Conditioner and top coat for the nail polish. Yeah, and also I got groceries, right? I got food, but I'm not gonna show you those. Yeah, some yummy things and some basic things. Okay, so before we start working on orders and crocheting, I need to have my office organized. I cannot function with the mess. I'm gonna show you. So if the office is a mess, my head is also a mess. So I need to organize that before I start anything. So let's do it. Look at the mess. Okay, it's much better now. Look at that. Here might look messy, but it's an organized mess. I want to keep these things here because it's the things I want to work on. So they are right here on my face and I don't forget about them. So this is the bucket hat I was talking about that I have to finish. So I bought the yarn to do that. I want to take pictures of these green coasters. Here is a written pattern I'm working on. It's for octopuses. And I have to finish this stitch here. I also showed you in the last vlog that I was working on this. And it was supposed to be a birthday gift, but I didn't finish on time. This is supposed to be a table runner, a new table runner for my dining table, and I have to finish it. So for now it's here. It's like a throw for my little chair here. But look at this. I have to finish it. The most important thing is to work on orders. So I'm going to start working on the burgundy cat ear beanie. Let's get the yarn for that. And I use a 5mm crochet hook with the number 4 medium yarn to make the beanie. Here I have my own cat ear beanie that I use to measure the length of the cat ear beanies I make, just to have an idea. So I have this one as a template, let's say. So I'm working on the first row for the cat ear beanie after we make the foundation chain. And if you want to make a beanie like this one, I already have the tutorial on my channel and I'll link it on the description, and I'll also leave a card here on the top for you, okay? So you can make them too. It's pretty easy to make. It's just have double crochet stitches in the back loop only. But I explain the measurements and everything in the tutorial. So after you finish this video, you can go see the tutorial and make beanies for you and to sell or for friends and family. Okay, let's get to work. This is such a beautiful color. I have a couple of more minutes to work on this. Let's say 8 minutes before I have to go and get my son from school. And then I don't know if I'll be able to work on this anymore for today. Maybe I'll just continue tomorrow. Let's see. So look at that, I have 12 rows done and it's looking like this. A new day, a new dress, and the finished hat. So this is how the cat ear beanie looks like. What do you think? Now I just have to pack it and put the shipping label on the parcel and take it to the post office. But for now, we are going to move on and finish the bucket hat. So I made some notes here on what I have to do to finish it. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rounds to go. And here are the colors I'm going to use to finish it. So blue, off-white, coral, blue, and off-white. So this is the blue, mod blue, and this is called coral rose. And the off-white is already here attached to the hat. And the last round is a single crochet trim. And I'm almost done here. Look at that. It's super cute. Look at that. Now I have to weave in the ends inside and put a tag on it. Now it's done. Look at that. What do you think? And let's put these things where they are supposed to go, so it's not a mess here anymore. Alright, so now I want you to leave me a comment and tell me which one is your favorite. Look at that. So this colorful one here, the green one, the blue and off-white, or the orange one. Tell me. Alright, so now it's time to move on. And if you remember, I told you in the beginning of the video that I want to finish this. But I don't feel like finishing it today. So I'll go and look for something else to work on. I'll leave this one for another day. I just don't want to make amigurumis now. So someone bought one of these. It's a charm for cars or bags or doorknobs. And it's the white one and it's ready. Look at this. I don't need to work on it. I just have to go and meet the person tomorrow. Look at that. It's super cute. It's a lily of the valley charm. And as I was showing you the charm, I got an order from Etsy. And guess what? It's for another cat ear beanie, but this one is in black. And I always like to work on orders before anything else. So that's what I'm going to do. We are going to make another cat ear beanie together. Let's go. Let's get the black yarn. Whoa, perfect timing, right? It feels like the customer was reading my mind. Now I don't need to think so hard. I'm just gonna work on the beanie. Perfect. Now it's 2:40 and I have approximately 1 hour to work on this cat ear beanie before I have to do something else. And I want to work really hard and I want to focus on this because I want to have it ready for tomorrow morning, because I'm going to go out to deliver the charm, and I also want to mail the 2 hats tomorrow, so I do everything in one day, right? I don't need to leave my house on Thursday to do these things. So I can, if I focus, I can finish it and it's gonna work out great. Yeah. Let's work on it. Let's focus. I have 3 rows so far. Look at that. So the order for the charm was from Facebook Marketplace, and the cat ear beanies are from Etsy. And I don't have everything I make listed on Etsy because, you know, it's getting expensive to have things there because the fees are high and then we have to pay to list the items, right? So if you want to buy something from me that you see in the videos or anything else that you would like, I am taking custom orders. But if you want to buy anything from me, you just contact me, send me a message, and I can make the listing for you on Etsy. Because I have my things listed on Poshmark and Facebook Marketplace, because there you don't need to pay for the listings, right? But if you are not close to me, it has to be through Etsy. So yeah, send me a message and I make the listing for you, okay? One hour later, and this is how much work I have put into the hat. It's a little bit over half of it. But now I have to go and I'll come back later. Now it's the end of the day and I did manage to finish the beanie. Look at that. So both of them are ready to go and I'm just gonna pack them tomorrow morning, and I'll also come back to talk to you guys. I'm wearing my PJs now, so I'm not gonna talk to you now. I'm not wearing the pretty dress anymore. So yeah, see you tomorrow morning. Hello, good morning. So everything is ready to go. I have to go to the post office and meet the person. And this vlog is getting long, right? So I'll end it here. It was really nice to have you with me, and I hope this video was inspiring to you. I hope you learned something from it, and I hope that you make some of the projects I showed in the video. So the bucket hats, I will leave the link for the pattern down below. It's not my tutorial, but it will be linked on the description. Okay, if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please consider doing so you don't miss any other videos from the future. And thank you again for watching. Thank you for being here, and I will see you in the next, right? Bye bye.